My name is Ray Dombrowski. I'm a graphic designer in Dana Point, California, and I design t-shirt graphics, logos, and lettering for surf apparel brands, fishing brands, and outdoor brands. In this video, I want to tell you about Logo Design Master Collection, where a fresh batch of 25 logo templates for Photoshop and Illustrator will be sent to your inbox every month in 2018. It's like a subscription, but there are never any monthly fees after your initial order. When you order, you get every easy-to-edit logo template that's in the bundle, plus a growing collection of fonts and all of the free monthly updates for the rest of this year. You can use the fonts included for any commercial project. You can change the wording and the colors to anything you want. These logo templates are perfect for t-shirt designs, packaging, product branding, or any other project you have in mind. To find out more about Logo Design Master Collection, click the link on this page. Thanks for watching.